Okay, today I'm going to say something about the role of youth for developing the nation. In our country, the age group between 18 to 14 years comes under the youth generation, and in any country, youth are the pillar of the nation. They can develop the society, they can develop the country by using their knowledge, skill, and capacity. And in our country, youth are playing vital role by involving in agriculture sector, transportation and communication, then after tourism industries, and some of the youth are working in factories, and some of the youth are sent to foreign country for working purposes. And many youth are involved in NGO, INGO, private sectors, governmental, non-governmental sectors, and they get a job. They are doing job. Why they do job? They do job uh, for surviving, to handle their family, to change the future of the society, to change the future of the nation, and their main target is to how to develop the society, how to develop the country, and they are far away from their parents, even though they are living in Malaysia, Dubai, Qatar, and their main target is to develop the nation by struggling, by doing struggle in foreign country. And in our country, the number of farmers are increasing day by day. 65% people are involved in agriculture at that time, but now if you take data, then more than 75% people are involved in agriculture, and youth are also going to conscious. They think that uh, if we don't give priority to the agriculture sectors, then one day we have to face great starvation problems, and without food nobody can survive in this world. uh, Even though we are in lower in rank and higher in rank, we all need food, and without food we can't survive. And it is one of the most important things for the human beings, and so we should not waste our time, and we have to utilize our natural resources which are available in our country. Nepal is the second richest country in water resources, but it is not properly utilized in all parts of Nepal due to the economic crisis problems. And if you want to develop our country, then all youth should be active, and they have to share their ideas, views, sentiments to each other, how to develop the nation, how to develop the society. And it is not possible with the effort of single person. We all have to combine together, we all have to join together, and we have to work in group. We have to share our ideas from community to community, family to family, society to society, for developing the nation. And youth have such type of power. They can change the future of the country within a certain period of time, because they have enough energy to do something for the nation. And we have to encourage the youth generation also to involve in social work, uh, to participate in different kinds of programs like cultural programs, public awareness program which is organized in our community,